Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. So, as you can see, I've had a bit of a play day today. So, I find that's the easiest way for when I want to do just random things. What I'll do is just grab a board, hit record on the video recorder, and see what I come up with. Just make weird and wonderful things, and if I get something that turns out really cool, you guys end up seeing it on a video. So I'll show you how I did this one now.
We've been hiding in the shadows. We've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. just a little bit harder. faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. 'Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. You wish you could take it all back now. Can't sleep without dreaming you're found out. You thought you covered your tracks, you swore you buried your racks, but you can never relax. You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. What was that behind your back? Don't you hear those footsteps? Fate never forgets. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience.
Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. Oh, the monster is living inside. Oh, don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. You can't run from me. You can't hide from me. You can't run from me. 'Cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. The monster is living inside.
I journey through the darkness, through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. You're walking in like you're Goliath, but do you really wanna try it? They tell me that you're 10 feet tall. They tell me you can never fall, but I don't really buy it. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me.
I see the darkness all around, trying to find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. Will I find my way back home? Will I find my way back home? I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. The future's right in front of me. I'm never gonna let go. I'm never gonna let go.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one, so you have a close-up look at it. Man, they turned out super cool. I love it. Awesome colours in it. That coloured cell activator just works really, really well. I quite like it, so. Wow. Alright, so up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So if you click on the name and the title of this video, it takes you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, hit the link that I put in there, it'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just hit the play all listed link that I put in there each and every week, and it plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another. So that's the easy way to do it. If you like that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. If you got any questions, just drop them in the comment, or like I said, if you're a member of Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, mate, just fire some questions away in there. I'm quite happy to answer them all for you. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.